Yasin Malik won't appear in TADA court. Centre, in fact, recommends curbing movement of Yasin Malik. Yasin Malik's court production is going to happen virtually. We have Pradeep Dutta live with us. Pradeep, in fact, we had heard earlier that he was likely to appear before a special TADA court for cross-examination of prosecution witness. Now we believe that he will not be appearing before the TADA court, and Centre has recommended curbing of his movement.
Continuation of that trial.
Yes, big setback for Yasin Malik because he had been insisting that he should be allowed physically to cross-examine all those prosecution witnesses, but he has not been allowed because there had been a restriction from Ministry of Home Affairs, and so keeping in view the law and order situation, he has not been allowed. So they're asking him to virtually appear for any of these hearings, and today also he appeared virtually, and tomorrow again there is another case. He'll be appearing virtually in that case also. And now the next date of hearing for today's case, today was the 4 Indian Air Force officer 32 years back. They were killed by Yasin Malik and other people on January 1989. And the case had been going on for quite some time. And the hearing was today. He appeared virtually. And now the next date of hearing is 23rd 11. So it clearly appears that nobody is going to listen to what actually Yasin Malik is trying to say, because he can't dictate terms. He has already been involved in these heinous crimes, because already there had been witness. Today also one of the witnesses, he appeared before the court, and he maintained that yes, he has identified Yasin Malik earlier also, and today also he identified Yasin Malik, and Yasin Malik was supposed to cross-examine that witness, and virtually he tried to do so. Let me speak to the advocate here. Sir, a big setback for Yasin Malik. Now, what really happened? Why he was not allowed to appear physically? Because already in this case, production warrant had been issued by the judge.
In NIA case, he has been convicted. He is a life convict. He is presently lodged in TIHAR jail. Now, Superintendent TIHAR jail has requested the Honorable Court that his movement from Delhi to J&K is not possible, because the appeal is pending before the High Court, and Honorable in this NIA court, he has awarded life sentence to him with a direction that he should be lodged in the TIHAR jail. So that moment is not possible. That request was made to the Special Judge NIA today.
So today
he has accepted that.
So earlier
and he was on virtual mode today.
So virtually he is now going to cross-examine all those prosecution witnesses?
He has to. He has to, otherwise the right of cross-examination will be closed.
Today, one of the witnesses was there who has already identified Yasin Malik as one of the killer in that 4 Air Force officer killing case.
Yes, we have examined him in chief. In examination in chief, he has identified Yasin Malik and other associates that they were the persons holding gun in the wee morning hours, and they have killed the Air Force officers, knowingly, deliberately, with malicious interest.
Now the next date of hearing is when?
It is 23rd of November.
23rd of November.
Yeah.
And Rubaiya Saeed case also, that means
Rubaiya Saeed case is fixed for tomorrow. So Rubaiya Saeed is summoned. He may cause his appearance before the court, she may not. So that depends. And tomorrow also Yasin Malik will be present on virtual
One last
mode.
question. You don't think that somewhere the Yasin Malik was trying to dictate terms because that he wants to physically appear? On one hand, he has committed a heinous crime, and then he was trying to dictate terms to the government that he wants to physically cross-examine. You don't think that is a big setback for him that way?
See, our judiciary is an independent judiciary. So Honorable Court has not accepted this request, but the fair trial chance has been given to him several times till date, that you cross-examine the witness, or we will give you amicus curiae or legal aid. See, he has refused that also. So Government of India and Superintendent Jail, they have simply requested him that his movement from Delhi outside is not possible, because the appeal is pending before the Honorable High Court, and the NIA court has convicted him with a direction that he should be lodged in the TIHAR jail. So his movement is not possible. He cannot be taken.
So now the next date of hearing is 23rd of November. Already we had been talking to the advocate. He had made it clear that the judiciary had given him a chance for the fair trial, and they asked for the amicus curiae. They wanted that legal aid, which was rejected by Yasin Malik, because he had been insisting for the last several weeks that he wants to physically appear and cross-examine all those prosecution witnesses. But that has been denied by the government. So finally, he will have to appear virtually. And tomorrow there's going to be another case. That's another high-profile case. That time, the Home Minister, Mufti Muhammad Saeed's daughter, was abducted by Yasin Malik and gang. And tomorrow, again, he will have to appear virtually if he wants to cross-examine all those prosecution witnesses.
So Yasin Malik
so that was a big setback for him,
before the court virtually. In In fact, keeping in view law and order situation, Yasin Malik hasn't been allowed to appear in person before the court. Thank you, Pradeep, for all those details.